Hey guys, I'm Josh. I've been cutting hair for about 5 years and I finally decided to make my first YouTube video. In the video I'll be showing you guys how to do a mid-skin fade, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
Nah, it's on the beat, boy. Accent made this. Flow so legendary, you know this shit necessary. Far from the normal man, you know my love customary.
Here I am with my number 1.5 guard, just removing the bulk. Just sending in my blend guideline, using the fine tooth comb, just to feed the hair through a bit better. And flicking out when I reach the top. Here I am sending in my 0 guideline. You can see I'm just drawing it in rather than shaving it in with the opposite side of the clipper. Brushing all the hair out as I go. This is the open 0, making my first guideline. I'm about 1.5 inches from the first one. Just fine tuning the fade on the corner of the teeth, slowly closing it as I get towards the bottom guideline, the first line we created with the 0. Now I have my 0.5 guard, my half guard, and it's open, and I'm just flicking out that last guideline which we made in the middle from the open 0 and the 1.5. I don't use a number 1 guard. I find it's a bit easier if you just go straight to the half, just freehand it. The guard skipping technique is what you call it. So I'm just opening and closing the half guard depending on the dark spots and the density of the hair. Just freehanding it really. I like to get rid of the bulk last because I find it the most time efficient way of doing a quick fade. You can spend the whole haircut using your preferred clippers like the Magical Seniors and pick up your trimmers right in the end so you can do the lineup and the bulk removal instead of switching through equipment mid-haircut. Bane only wanted a little bit off the top, so we just decided to texturize it, chip into it a bit. Just point cutting it. I'm just pulling out the hair here square, try to create a square profile, and just finessing it with the feather razor, adding a bit more texture. Just lining them up now. I prefer dry shaving rather than using a gel. I feel like you can see the lines a bit better. Making all these plans, then I cancel. Always on the move, never stand still. The way I be whipping through the bridge. Quick, what I say when I cancel all my plans. Sick, too many flows I got told. Pick, I do it all. Just using Brother Wolf's sea salt spray, just for a base product. This is made in Australia, down in Melbourne. Just blow drying it in with a high heat. Just using a non-static brush, just with a Denman brush. And I'm just finishing it off with a bit of Sculptor. I highly recommend it. It's nice and easy. It spreads really well, strong hold. Hey guys, it's Josh again. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If anything you want to see, drop a comment in the comment section below and we'll be sure to review it for you. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. See you guys soon.